Good evening, everyone. Today I want to talk about a program called Inco Forex. Okay, this is another passive income opportunity, and Inco Forex is a managed Forex program. Now, when I say passive income opportunity, I mean this is a stream of income that you can make without having to put forth any effort besides your initial investment. Now, if you want to compare that to multi-level marketing, and I don't have anything bad to say about multi-level marketing, but you know, with multi-level marketing, you have work to do. Okay, not only do you have to put down initial investment, but most of the time you have to put down, you have to make a monthly payment. Plus, you have to recruit people. You have to. If you don't, your business is not going to grow, and then you're out of luck. With passive income opportunities, you invest your money up front, and that's it. You can either pull your interest out on a daily basis. So you can have daily income, you can have weekly income, monthly income, however you want to do it. Okay. This is one of those types of programs, Inco Forex. They've been around for about 3 months now. A highly underrated program. If you're interested in making long-term income in HYIPs, I definitely recommend Inco Forex. The way they got their system set up, they're going to be around for a while. Now, I know Genius Funds has been around probably I know they've been on the scene about 1.5 years now. Last year this time, I said Genius Funds was going to be around this year this time, and here they are. They're still here. People making lots of money. I'm telling you right now, Inco Forex is going to be here next year this time. So you shouldn't be afraid to make a serious investment here. This is a very, very good program. Now, when I say managed Forex, I mean that they're trading Forex currencies, foreign exchange. They're doing currency trades. So a lot of people, they like to get into the Forex market, but some people just don't know how to do it. This is a perfect opportunity to get into the Forex business, if you're not really familiar with trading currencies, and let someone else manage it for you. They have a very strong structure. I'm going to just go to their investment office real quick so you can see exactly how they got their system set up. Now, Inco Forex has a lot of unique features about their program. One of the best things I like about them is they have an investment term of 180 trading days. Okay, so you figure that's about 9 months is what you can expect out of 180 trading days. I don't want anybody to be deceived that it's just 180 days. Like, oh yeah, well it's just 6 months. No, it's 180 trading days, which means they're gonna exclude Saturday and Sunday. But anyway, what I like about it is that with Inco Forex, you can make multiple deposits in one account, and it's not going to start you over. It's not going to start a new investment, and none of that stuff. It's just going to add on to what you already have. So, the minimum investment to get into here is $10. So if you want to just invest $10 today, because you don't want to take a big risk, then you could do that, and then as time goes on, when you get more comfortable and confident with the company, you can invest a little more, a little bit at a time until you get to a level where you want to be. That's the one good thing about it. Another thing is they do offer compounding. Okay, so for those of you who are familiar with compounding, this is a very powerful tool for building income in these types of programs. So that's offered here. The daily profit percentage is variable. In other words, they're going to base their income that they pay you according to how well they did for the day. Now, they do have a minimal amount that they're going to pay out because, well, I'll get to that later, but they have a minimal amount they'll pay out, which is 0.03%. They have an insurance reserve fund, which is what I just got through talking about, where they have allocated a certain amount of this profit to an insurance fund, which means if all else fails, they can still make their payouts. That's another great feature. And this is what I was explaining earlier, the automatic investment plan upgrades. It says any given account will be automatically upgraded by the system to the higher plan level when principal balance will reach the corresponding value. In other words, they have a multiple tier, where they pay out different, percentages according to, how much capital you got invested. And of course, the more capital you got, the bigger the reward is. But let's say if you invest, let's just say 3,300. Let's just say you compound it for a while and you get it up to 3,500, and then as soon as and then you're taking 42% of the share. So let's say you go over that 3,500 mark and you now in 3,501 on up. Now you're taking 47% of the share. So you've just given yourself a 5% raise, just by staying long enough to watch your investment going to the next pay tier, and then it just keeps going up and up and up. You know, and they graduate this one by 5%, they graduate that one by 5%. You know, so the higher you go, the more shares, you know, of the pie you get. So that's another good feature about the program. Okay, now this is something that you don't see in a whole lot of different programs, where they have the profit actually broken up, where you can see, you know, where the profit is going. Like for this one, for the basic program, 42% of the profit goes to you, 43% of the profit goes to the company, and 15% goes into that insurance allocation fund that I was telling you about, you know, where, you know, if all else fails, they still got money to pay you out. Now, this alone will let you know that this program is probably going to be around for a while, because everybody is not setting their program up like this, and if so, they're not saying anything. And then, once again, the percentage is variable depending on, you know, how well they do for the day. So I've seen it range from, let me just go back here real quick, and you can kind of see, you know, how wide the range is on the investment payout. Going back to the home page, if it lets me. Okay, there we go. Okay, now here's the interest rates from 10/19 until the 30th, which was what, Friday. Okay, you can see on 10/19 it was 3.66%, on the 20th it was 2.07, 21st 1.39, 22nd 1.6. So you know, it's all over the place. You know, but it just depends on how well they do. And then they got a nice little investment calculator here where you can, you know, kind of go in here and, you know, plug some numbers in, and, you know, you can see how well your money will do if you invest it over a certain period of time. They got a nice little bar graph, whatever, you know. So all of these little things are here for your advantage. Okay, the payment processors that they take is Liberty Reserve, they take Perfect Money, ECU Money, and then direct bank wires. I believe with the direct bank wire, I think the minimum amount on that is $5,000 that you can invest on a bank wire. But if you have like Liberty Reserve or Perfect Money or ECU, you can invest $10 and get your account started. Registration is very simple. You know, you just basically go in, put in your name and whatever, your email address, and there it is. Now they have certain days that they don't trade besides the weekends. You know, like the holidays are coming up, Thanksgiving is coming up, Christmas is coming up. You know, those days they're just not going to trade. You know, so it's, you know, you might as well get used to that. And then also, what else here? They have a 5%, like if you refer like people you know, your friends, your buddies, whatever, and they invest, then you're going to get 5% of their money. So that's another different, you know, a different way that you can earn income off of this program. Okay, that's about it. They're protected by Dragon Arret, DDoS protection. They have testimonies here to let you know how well the company is doing right now. They have a phone number if you need to call them if you have any questions. It's 423-665-4325. They also have a fax number. They have email support. You know, just all kind of good things here. So if you want to sign up for Inco Forex, I put my link right up here in the corner. Also, you can always feel free to visit my blog at hyipprofits.blogspot.com. I put that link up there as well. I have many different programs in there that I'm invested in right now. All of them are doing well. All of them are making good money for me. Once again, I thank you for coming. Thank you for looking at my channel. And you all have a good day. Thanks.